Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Lighting is the key element in your home decor, and modern hanging light bulbs can transform any space with their stylish, innovative designs, from industrial stylish exposed bulbs to elegant cylinders with geometric shapes. These are the endless options to suit your aesthetic. Hanging lights not only brighten your home but also serve as a focal point, add a touch of sophistication to your interiors. Whether you are looking for a minimalist design for a dining area or a bold statement piece for your living room, modern light bulbs can create the perfect ambience. Explore unique designs that reflect your personality and elevate your home decor with energy efficient LED options. You can also serve on electricity while maintaining a chic look. Well placed hanging light can completely change the mood of a room, adding a warmth and depth. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.